In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Webflow API. So the first thing you want to do is go to their official website, which is webflow.com, and then on their website, you would first have to log into your account. So if you don't have an account yet, press Get Started. It's free over here. And then you can log in with either your work email address or simply sign in with Google. So I'm going to sign in with Google for this instance because it's simply much easier and much quicker. Over here, as you can see, you'll then see your dashboard. And over here, for a tutorial, you will see your first site over here. So what you have to do is, of course, if you have another site you would like to get the API access for, what you can do is just find that site over here under All Sites, click those three dots over here, and then from here, click Settings. This will take you to the settings of your current website over here, and then what you can do over here on the left, you want to press the penultimate option down the list, which is Apps and Integrations. So click this, and then down here below, as you can see, it says API Access. Now, it says a site API token allows your site to interact with Webflow's REST API, allowing you to extend the native capabilities Webflow provides. And if you want to generate a token, you have to click Generate API Token over here. You then have to name this token. So let's say we're gonna just name it Instant How To because this is the name of our channel. And then you can give it different permissions, okay? So as you can see, you can select permissions for assets, authorized users, CMS, components, e-commerce, etc. So all this over here, and the access can be either no access, read only, or read and write. Once you've done this, you also have to make sure that you read this down here, which says API tokens expire after 365 consecutive days of inactivity, which is essentially a year. So they last a year. And once you do this, you want to press Generate Token. Now, once you press Generate Token, as you can see, you'll have to save your API token, and you can do this by simply clicking this copy button over here, which will copy your API token to your clipboard. Now, once you press hide token forever, this will hide it forever, and if you haven't copied it because you've forgotten, you will never be able to access it again. So make sure you actually do copy it and then press hide token forever, because of some security measures, it can be seen yet again. Once you click this, as you can see over here, it says it was generated today, January 11, 2025 by me, and then it says it was never used. However, if you've copied that API, you can of course then access it. If you want to stop using this, you can come to this page anytime and click revoke over here, and then yet again click revoke API token, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.